Tired of complicated international payments? Let's simplify things. This video will guide you through making payments with Flywire, ensuring your cross-border transactions are secure and hassle-free. First, navigate to the Flywire website, either through a link provided by your institution or by searching Flywire in your web browser. Once on the homepage, click on the Get Started button. Next, you'll need to enter some key details. Start by selecting your country of origin from the drop-down menu. Then, enter the exact amount you need to pay in your local currency. Finally, select the institution you're sending the payment to. Be sure to double-check this is the correct institution from the drop-down list. Flywire offers multiple payment methods. Choose the option that best suits you. Credit cards are quick and convenient, while bank transfers often have lower fees. The specific options available will depend on your location. If you choose a bank transfer, you'll be given detailed instructions, including the beneficiary's name, account number, and SWIFT code. Make sure to carefully follow these instructions when initiating the transfer on your bank's website or app. After initiating your payment, you can easily track its progress through the Flywire dashboard. You will receive email notifications updating you on each step, from processing to confirmation of receipt by your institution. And that's it. Using Flywire takes the stress out of international payments with secure payment options and real-time tracking. You can pay with confidence. Subscribe for more helpful guides.